Alright. Maiden Voyage. New 2019 Beta 200RR. Haven't been down here in a while, so take it easy. Came back here like 2 weeks ago, cleared trails by hand. It's a light bike, you feel every bump. Stock tire really grabs in this stuff anyway. I'm also using my brand new Garen SG12 boots. First time. First time with them, first time with the bike. Oh, there's a new tree. Yeah, other than that, looks like everything's clear. Just gotta get used to ergonomics of this thing. This part of the trail is slick when it's a little wet. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I'm going to try a slow lug up the hill, see how that feels. I had a hump going over the tree stump there, but railroad guys cut the tree down and left right on top of it. Not much for straightaways in here. I think I'm in second. Yeah, got a second. Alright. Tree down on that trail. Can't go up that hill. In second, just lug it. Second gear. He's got it. Oh, this is my hometown woods. Too small to do anything in. Just get a little feel for it. Been chomping at the bit with no bike for a week and a half now. Dead stop. No problem. Oh my god. Couldn't do that with a DRZ. Holy crap. That thing was heavy as a pig. What is this? 219 pounds dry weight, I think. That's not good in there. Ow, bouncy. Ooh, that front is so light. See, last time I was on the beta, beta demo days, I smacked the tree with a 430. Oh, yeah. I need a little more straightaway to try some stuff out. Beta demo days, I rode the 300, which seemed to plow through everything. Tired my arms out. I rode the 250. And that was beautiful. And everybody was waiting in line for a 200. I never got on. Guys who have the 300 and have ridden the 250 got on the 200. So that's the bike to have. Well, that sold me. That and a few reviews I've seen on YouTube. That's going to end up being a second gear uphill there. First gear is just too slow. But, alright, that's second gear there. Cool. Those sticks are too close there. Gotta move them out. Alright. Different route. I think there was a trail right there. I can't see it. The tree fell. I believe there's a tree down on this one too. Alright. so out of shape. My wrists feel tired. But I'm loving this. Been on a 4-stroke so long, almost forgot what it's like to make a bike scream. Ah, here's the other hill. Ooh, she wants to float. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice second gear climb. When you get bored, take the trail backwards. Ain't nobody else riding around here anyway. Ooh, what was that? Nice stall. Okay, running out of gas. Put enough in there. I gotta go try to get on. Alright, second gear messing around. Beautiful. Loved it. No regrets.